Hey, and welcome to Tom's IT channel. Tonight I want to show you how to add speed changes to your videos in Davinci Resolve. So let's get started. As you can see right here, I have some drone footage that I shot. I have a drone business above Greenville. Check us out on Facebook, above Greenville. But one of the times I was out shooting, my sons were playing with some RC cars, lots of fun. So let's say you capture a video, something like this, and you just want to slow it down and see it in slow motion. Awesome jump. All right. What you can do right over here, and we'll get it to the part where we said we want to capture it. So right about there. So we're going to go to right click on the video. You're going to click on Retime Controls. You can also use Control R, as you can see. And this allows you to do a speed change. So right here, I'm going to choose just a little further down. Right there, we're going to add a speed point. Okay, and at this speed point, we're going to change speed to 25%. All right, so let's see what happens. So we hit play, it's coming, 100%, comes off the awesome jump, it's in slow-mo. And stop. And that is how you add a speed change to Davinci Resolve.